Welcome to All-in-One YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about TLS in V2Ray. TLS is a transport protocol. With TLS, you can use VLS, VMS or Trojan as authentication protocol. When you are talking about TLS, you can't forget term SNI. Let's see what is SNI. You know TLS creates encryption tunnel between client and server. So, ISP can't see where your traffic are going. As solution for this, SNI is used. SNI contains domain name of server we are connecting. So, ISP can see what server you are using. Now I think you have rough idea about this. So, let's start our work. I forgot to tell you the most important thing. You need to use 443 as port when using TLS. Now let's see how to configure client side. You can see V2Ray client app in left side and V2Ray client request in right side. Choose network type as TCP. Next go to TLS. Choose TLS as TLS. Now you need to type SNI. You can see SNI has appeared in V2Ray client request. ALPN shows what protocols are supported from HTTP/1.1, HTTP/2 and HTTP/3. So, I choose all protocols are supported. You can also see it in client request. You must choose allow insecure as true. Reason for it is when creating TLS connection with your VPS, SNI indicates another host name not your VPS. TLS can detect this. So, TLS says this is insecure connection because SNI and your VPS is different. So, making this connection, you must use allow insecure as true. Now let's see how to configure V2Ray server side. First you need to choose transmission as TCP. Next enables TLS. Now you need to add TLS certificate here. So, we need to generate self-signed certificate. Generating self-signed certificate. Now you can see my VPS and downloaded text file. You need to use a Linux VPS for this. First copy root access command. Paste it and press enter. Now copy generating certificate command. Paste it and press enter. Keep pressing enter until command is over. Now you have a self-signed certificate. Now we have a certificate. Let's add it. Click on certificate file content. Go back to your VPS. Copy showing certificate file command. Paste it and press enter. Copy certificate content. Go back to V2Ray server. Paste copied content in public key content. Go back to your VPS. Copy showing private key file command. Paste it and press enter. Copy private key content. Go back to V2Ray server. Paste copied content in key content. Now everything is completed. You can save this. Don't forget to open port 443 in firewall.